time to get out of here. I'm calling a cab.
A Category EF4 tornado is moving southeast. New pickup request.
What? Who the heck calls a cab in a tornado? Fine. Hope this guy tips in gold. Oh, great. There it is. I must be going the right way.
Where are you, dummy?
I'm almost there!
Turn right.
Move it, move it, move it!